Hi everybody, my name is Daniel Krueger. I live outside of Philadelphia, Pennsylvania, and I have a wife and 2 kids. My oldest, Gavin, is 4 years old, and my youngest, Tristan, is just 1 year old. And they keep me pretty busy. But when I can get away from them, I do like to do things like gardening and outdoor stuff. Professionally, I've been teaching here at North Penn High School for the past 15 years. The courses that I teach are biology and botany. I'm pretty fortunate to teach these courses here. I have a greenhouse for the botany classes, which is all about plants, and I have a great lab set up. And I like to do things hands-on, but obviously things changed recently, so the educational tools that Google offers have become a bigger and bigger part of my teaching style. All right, but North Penn is a fairly large school. We have about 1,000 kids per grade, and we have grades 10 through 12 here at the high school. And it's a very, very diverse student population that we have to teach to. Right. So what I hope to gain from this course, is just better skills in using the Google tools that I'm already familiar with, and then hoping that I can learn about some new tools that Google has to offer, and hopefully that can improve the educational experience of both my students that are learning in person and my students who are learning virtually. All right, guys, I'm really looking forward to working with everybody. Thank you. Bye.